Cuisinart DCC 1200 Brew Central 12-cup Programmable Coffee Maker, Black Silver. Classic brushed metal design with a 12-cup carafe with ergonomic handle for comfortable dripless pouring. BPA-free. Brew pause feature lets you enjoy a cup of coffee before brewing has finished. Adjustable heater plate, low, medium, high, ensures that your coffee stays at the temperature you like best. 24-hour advanced brew start, programmable auto shut-off from 0 to 4 hours plus a 1 to 4 cup feature when making less than 5 cups. Includes charcoal water filter and permanent gold tone filter that ensures only the freshest coffee flavor flows through. Measuring scoop. Instruction book. Product built to North American electrical standards. Charcoal water filter removes impurities and EIMENSION LXWXH is 7.75 inches x 9.00 inches x 14.00 inches. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.